Hey guys, welcome to another Mr. Mutech video, and today I'm going to show you how to turn on car mode on your Spotify app. Car mode allows you to have a better view of Spotify, especially while you're driving, because the items on the screen will be larger and easier to manage. I'm going to show you how to turn that on, but also how to make sure that your screen doesn't go dark once you're using it. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do in the app, whether you're on Android or iPhone, it doesn't matter. Go ahead and go to the home screen. And once you're on the home screen, you're going to go to the top. You're going to notice a gear icon here. Go ahead and tap on that. And once you tap on the gear icon, you're going to see an option for car. Go ahead and tap on that next. And now you're going to see an option for car mode. This allows the car mode to automatically turn on once you connect to Bluetooth in your vehicle. So go ahead and tap on that to turn it on. And then the other thing that you want to do is keep Spotify open. So you want to prevent your phone from going dark on you when you're using this in your vehicle, because then you have to manage your phone more and it's a little bit more dangerous. So go ahead and turn that on and you're all good to go. And then after that, you can close your app and just proceed to play music. Hopefully that was helpful for you. And if so, feel free to like and subscribe. Take care.